Hello students, welcome to JLF with Ria. In this session, we are going to discuss about the mountain building. This video is the part 1 of this topic. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the several forms and classification of mountains. Okay, mountains are significant relief features of the second order on the Earth's surface. A mountain may have several forms. Firstly, a mountain ridge. A mountain ridge is a system of long, narrow and high hills. Generally, the slope of one side of a ridge is steep, while the other side of the moderate slope, but a ridge may also have symmetrical slope on both the sides. The next is a mountain range. A mountain range is a system of mountains and hills having several ridges, peaks and summits and valleys. In fact, a mountain range stretches in a linear manner. In other words, a mountain range represents a long but narrow strip of mountain ranges represent a long but narrow strips of mountain and hills. All of the hills of a mountain range are of the same age, but there are structural variation in different members of the ranges. The next is a mountain chain. A mountain chain consists of several parallel long and narrow mountains of different periods. The next is a mountain system, which consists of different mountain ranges of the same period. A mountain group, which consists of several unsystematical pattern of different mountain system. And the last is cordillera, which consists of several mountain groups and systems. Now come on to the classification of mountains. Firstly, the classification on the basis of height is low mountains, which height ranges between 700 to 1000 meter. Rough mountains, which height ranges between 1000 to 1500 meter. The rugged mountain, which height ranges between 1500 to 2000 meter, and high mountain, which height is above 2000 meter. The next classification is on the basis of the location. First is continental mountain, which further divided into two groups, coastal mountain and inland mountain. The example of coastal mountains are Appalachian, Rockies, Alpine mountain chain, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat of India, etc. And the inland mountains are Ural mountains of Russia, Vosges and Black Forest Block mountain of Europe, Himalayan Aravalli, Satpura, Moikal, Kaimur of India, Kunlun, Tien Shan and Atlai, etc. of Asia. And the next is oceanic mountain. Most of the oceanic mountains are below water surface or below the sea level. For example, Mauna Kea of Hawaii Island, Antillean mountain system, etc. Most oceanic mountains are volcanic mountain. The next classification is on the basis of the mode of origin. The first mountain are come original or the tectonic mountain. They are caused due to tectonic forces, for example compressive or tensional forces, motored by endogenetic forces coming from deep within the earth. These mountains are further divided into four types. The first is folded mountain. Folded mountains are further divided into three subtypes on the basis of their area. These are originated by compressive forces. They are young folded mountain, mature folded mountain and old folded mountain. The next is blocked mountain. The block mountains are originated by forces leading to the formation of rift valley. They are also called horse mountain. And the next is dome mountain. Dome mountains are originated by magmatic intrusion and upwelling of the crustal surface. And the next is mountain of accumulation, which are formed due to accumulation of volcanic material. The next is circum-erosion or relict mountain. For example, Vindhanchal ranges, Aravalli, Satpura, Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat, etc. And the next classification is on the basis of the period of origin. Firstly, Precambrian mountain. The examples of Precambrian mountains are Laurentian mountain, Algomen mountain, Killarmian mountain. These all are located on North America. There were mountains of Fennoscandia, Northwest Highland and Anglesey, etc. of Europe. The next is Caledonian Mountain. Caledonian mountains formed due to Silurian and Devonian periods. For example, Aravalli, Mahadev, Satpura of India, Appalachian of Europe, Brazilides of South America. The next is Hercynian Mountain. These mountains are formed during Permian and Permo-Carboniferous period. And the last is Alpine Mountain. These mountains are formed during Tertiary period. For example, Rockies, Andes, Alpine, Atlas, Himalayas, etc. So that's all for this session. The part 2 session of this topic will come very soon. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and keep learning. And for more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.